Imagine waking up to see you have been paid $200 or $500 for the work you did yesterday. That would be a great start of the day, wouldn't it? You can earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per day using this simple, and yet, effective method I'll show you in this video. I mean, how awesome is that? This is literally once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. My brother Steve earned over $2,000 in the past month just by using this amazing website. This method requires no degree and no investment, and it's available worldwide. You can be in USA, UAE, or Philippines. You can still earn money fast online if you follow the simple steps I'll show you in this video. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. It's a really hot day here in California, but I had to make this video for you guys because this will fix your financial situation in a matter of just 1 month. You should move the items from your wish list into your cart because by the end of this video, you already earned $100. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Now before I move on any further, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Also, I will be giving away $2,000 to anyone who finds an Easter egg hidden in one of the first videos in August. The lucky winner will be announced on the 30th of September, so be sure to watch all the videos for a chance to win $2,000. I also included a small bonus tip in the remainder of the video, so make sure you watch to the very end to make sure you don't miss out on the very important step that many people forget about. Now let's get into the video. Before I show you guys this great website, I want you guys to comment down below what's your favorite thing about Money Crush. The name of this website is surveytime.io. Surveytime is a completely free website that allows users to do paid surveys on demand and get money for it. You get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. 10 surveys equals $10, 100 surveys equals $100. There are no limitations and you can complete as many surveys as you want. This website has a high rating on Trustpilot.com and users left numerous positive reviews about this website. This simple process is divided into 3 steps. Register a free account, take a short introduction survey, and start earning cash for every survey you do. Now listen, wouldn't it be great if you could get paid instantly without any threshold amount? Well, with this website, you can. There is no withdrawal threshold. You get the most relevant surveys depending on your answers in the introduction. You get notified for every new survey available. Rewards are always $1, and you can get paid via PayPal, Amazon, or via any other way you prefer. And the best part is, it's global. You can do this anywhere in the world. Now, I know that's a lot of information to comprehend, but I will explain everything in great detail in the remainder of the video. So, let's start earning money. Navigate to the top of the page where you must register your free account. You can either register with your Google account, Facebook, or with your preferred email address. It's totally up to you. When you register, you will be greeted with this page which says that you need to answer a few questions for a short introduction, and it takes approximately 1 minute. When you're ready, click on the Start Now button. After that, proceed to complete the questionnaire. The questions are really simple, and after you're done with them, this website will automatically find surveys suitable for you. There is no need to manually search for the surveys. This website does it for you. When a new survey pops up, it will show up on this website. All you need to do is to click this button, and that will open a page in the New tab where you will proceed to complete the survey. The questions will be relevant to you, so don't worry about having unknown questions. Also, depending on the company that provides surveys, you might need to accept some terms and conditions in order to further complete their surveys. Also, keep in mind that you should take your time when answering surveys or else it might terminate and you will end up not getting paid. Answer the questions carefully and without any rush so you get paid properly for your answers provided. When you successfully complete a survey, a page will open where you can instantly acquire your earned reward. If you chose PayPal as your gift card, then you will have to enter your PayPal address for funds to be sent to you. Now for my Money Crushers who just want more out of everything, here is a bonus tip for you. Before that, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Money Crush, and also don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Now listen, you don't have to even be on this website to check for new available surveys. You can turn on the browser notifications to always be notified on time when a new survey is available. To do that, click on the Enable Browser Notifications button. Shortly after, this pop-up will appear, which says that you must allow the browser notifications in order to receive an alert when a new survey is available. Click on the Allow button. Now you will get an in-browser notification whenever a new survey is ready for you to complete. You don't even have to be on the website to find new surveys. They will find you and you will get notified first. It's that easy. This is one of the best methods to earn money fast online while sitting at home, and also one of the highest paying. You can be relaxing with your friends and family and still make money online with a few taps on your phone or a computer. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.